You'll never have it. I found it first.
We see about that.
You guys are just kids. It's way too powerful.
What Mom say about sharing?
That's a rule for just you guys. I can do whatever I want. I pay my own bills. You guys just get spoon-fed from my paycheck.
Oh man, I miss him. Can we get our offer? That is who in the Red Relic. What is a Red Relic? It's a very ancient red bow. You talking about this bow? No, that's so old. No one ever seen this one before. History says the arrows explode on impact. Okay, how about use this? Right here, I'm gonna chuck them over there. Let's do this!
What happened?